Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss one more question which came in the TCS written test recently. These kind of questions will help the students who are preparing for TCS and other company written tests. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. Look at the question. They have given a program and they are asking if you execute this program, what is the output you will get? And they have given 4 options. We need to find what is this program will give you the output. Now look at the statement hash include stdio.h, which is a standard input output header file. This header file you should include if you are using the predefined functions such as printf and scanf. Then you have void main. Main is a predefined function and every function will have a return type. The return type specifies what kind of value the function will return after executing successfully. In this one, they have specified the return type as void. Void is a keyword. It specifies that this function does not return any value. And you have a open curly braces and you have closed the curly braces. Okay. Then int a of 5. A is an array. An array is able to store collection of similar elements. So this data type is an integer. So this array A can able to store integer constants. Now how many integer constants you can store based on the size? Here the size is specified as 5. So you can able to store 5 integer constants. So they have initialized them. Now how the values will be stored is that an array A will have the index starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to size minus 1. In this example, size is equal to 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is the index and the value 5 will be stored at the index 0. Then like this, these values will be stored. Okay. Then they have declared 3 integer variables such as I, j, m. So you have 3 integer variables I, j, m. They have not initialized any values to them. So right now they will have the garbage values. Okay. Now look at the statement. I is equal to plus plus a of 1. This is a pre-increment. Pre-increment, what it will do? First it will increment, then it will assign. Okay. So now what is a of 1? A is an array and 1 is the index. So go to the array A. At index 1, what value is there? 1. So this is nothing but 1 plus plus 1. So plus plus 1 is nothing but you have to increment it first, then you have to assign. So I value will become 2 and also this value also will be incremented because you are incremented that value plus plus a of 1. At a of 1 you have the value 1, you are incrementing. So here the value will be updated as 2 and I also you are assigning the value 2. Is it clear? Then you have written a statement called j is equal to a of 1 plus plus. What is a of 1 consists of 2. 2 plus plus, this is a post increment. Post increment is nothing but first you will assign the value, then you will increment. So j is equal to 2. First you will assign the value 2 to the variable j, then you will increment by 1. So this will be updated as 3. I hope it is clear for you. Then look at the statement. M is equal to a of I plus plus. What is the I consists of? I is consists of 2. So this is nothing but a of 2 plus plus that you are assigning to the variable m. Again it is a post increment. Post increment means first you will assign, then you will increment. So this is nothing but m is equal to a of 2 then 2 plus plus. So I value will be incremented to 3. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? Because you have written I plus plus. So I value was 2, then it will become 3. So m is equal to a of 2. A of 2 means you need to go to the array A at the index 2. What value is there? 15. So m will be assigned the value 15. So what is the I value? I value is 3, j value is 2, m value is 15. and they are asking you to print the I value, j value, m value. So what are those values? 3, 2 and 15 will be displayed. So this program will print the output as 3, 2, 15. Are you able to understand? Look at the option A. Option A is saying 215. This is wrong. Option B is saying 1 to 15. This is also wrong. Option C is saying 3, 2, 15. This is correct. Option D is saying 2, 3, 20. It is wrong. So for this question, the right answer is option C. I hope you have understood how I solve this question. If you know the pre-increment and post-increment, then you can easily solve this question. If you still have any doubts related to this question or related to the pre-increment and post-increment, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.